to all our viewers. Welcome to Nisha Lakshmi World. Hope you all are doing good. Today we bring to you a popular Mumbai street food, that is Tawa Pulao. This dish is made using some veggies, spice powders, rice and is tossed on a tawa. If you have some leftover rice, then this would be the perfect recipe as it hardly consumes any time and at the same time tasty too. Then why wait? Let's get cooking. Please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on our new videos published. For this recipe, I shall be taking 2 large onions finely chopped, 2 large tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, veggies such as beans, frozen peas, carrot and potato. Here I am using 1.5 glass of leftover rice, but you can use freshly cooked rice too. Now in a heated tawa or a vessel, add in required amount of oil. Once the oil is heated, I shall be adding in few spices such as 4 cardamom, 4 cloves and an inch of cinnamon stick. Once the spices turn aromatic, add in the chopped onions and saute it until translucent. Once the onions turn translucent, add in the ginger garlic paste and mix it until it's nice and fragrant. Now let's add in the chopped tomatoes and saute until soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are nice and soft, add in 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and give it a good toss. Next add in 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, or you can adjust it according to your spice tolerance. Salt as per taste, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of kitchen king masala and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give a good mix until everything combines well. Once everything has combined well, let's add in all the veggies. And saute it for 2 minutes. Now I shall cover and cook the veggies for 2 minutes. Stirring occasionally. I'm adding an extra 1 teaspoon of chili powder here as we needed extra spiciness. I shall mix it well. At this stage, check for salt and spice and adjust if required. Then add in the rice. I shall not be adding the rice once and for all, as I will check the consistency and then add the remaining rice. And give it a good mix until well combined. After mixing the rice, once again do check for salt and spice and adjust if required. Tasty, yummy, mouth-watering Tawa Pulao is ready to be served. It can be best enjoyed with some raitha. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.